Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav on this BMW 5 Series. So from any screen, click on nav. You've got nav there. If you click over there, your side menu, guidance is off. Click again, status, test spoken. But we want navigation, we want the destination. So if we click nav again, destination comes up. So we'll just go back onto nav, destination doesn't show up, click nav again, destination input there, United Kingdom. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, and it's a rotary control here, so already put the P in onto R. We need to go down to further characters, which is at the bottom, and at first glance it doesn't appear to be highlighted, but when you get right to the bottom there's an orange section. So we want further characters. I would have thought numbers would have been better, but PR5 4, it's defaulted back to letters J S, and then there, look, you can either go back, delete, or click OK, and we'll click OK. And then we scroll down to start guidance.
Please follow the road for 1 mile.
There you go, that's how to set the sat nav.